Are you ready to uncover the secrets to building a monetizable faceless YouTube channel using AI automation? This particular YouTube channel is pulling in over $99,000 a month by uploading simple content. Wait, doesn't this sound familiar? You've likely come across similar videos on YouTube. If not, here's a quick recap. A few months ago, a game-changing method for creating YouTube Shorts emerged, spreading like wildfire as creators jumped on the trend. But here's the kicker, almost all of them were demonstrating the same strategy using the exact same reference channel, mostly creating psychology fact-based shorts. Coincidence? Maybe, but the original content idea was extremely popular, helping early adopters thrive. Yet as more creators piled into the niche, the market became crowded, making it harder for newer creators to replicate the same success. But no one thought to apply this powerful AI method in fresh, innovative ways. That's where I stepped in to develop an updated version that expands on what worked but takes it to a whole new level. I'm still using ChatGPT and Canva, but this time, the content strategy I'm working on will push things further. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll have your own faceless YouTube channel ready for monetization, and it will be built with AI-driven automation. I'm talking about creating 3 months worth of YouTube Shorts in one go. And that's not all. I'll also show you how to get AI to generate all your video titles, descriptions, hashtags, and more. Now, let's get to the evidence. Here's a YouTube channel focused on quiz and riddle videos. These videos have racked up millions of views, and the secret to their success is clear. They engage viewers and ignite curiosity with each riddle, boosting watch time. The engagement on these videos is off the charts compared to other types of content because viewers have to stay focused to solve the riddles. Just look at the comments, and you'll see how much people love these videos. Now, let's talk about whether the channel is actually monetized. Here's a simple trick. Right-click on an empty spot and choose View Page Source. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl F, or if you're on a Mac, press Command F. Type monetize in the search bar and hit enter. If you see true, the channel is monetized, but if you see false, it's not. According to Social Blade, this channel earns around $60,000 annually, and based on my experience with owning channels, I can confirm that these earnings are often accurate or even higher. To inspire you even more, take a look at how this new channel, using the same approach, has gained thousands of views and is already monetized. If they can achieve it, so can you. I've done the groundwork to create an easy, time-saving video production process. Here's the strategy. Instead of long videos, we'll focus on shorts since YouTube now monetizes them. Forbes recently reported that YouTube is pushing shorts, and they have a strong chance of going viral. Plus, people prefer short-form content these days. So step 1, we're going to generate riddles. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT. It's good to show some love to AI. Who knows, it might take over the world one day, and you'll want to be on its good side. If you ask ChatGPT for riddles, it might return something basic, so good prompting is key. Here's how I'll do it. I'll prompt ChatGPT as a riddle expert to create 5 quick and interesting riddles, each with 3 answer options and 1 correct answer. I'll also specify a table format for clarity. Let's see what ChatGPT generates. It usually delivers great results, but if it's not perfect, you can always try Google's Bard AI, though I'll stick with ChatGPT for now. Next, I'll ask it for 300 riddles. Of course, it can only give 10 at a time, so I'll keep asking until we get the full set. No point in arguing with AI, right? Once we have all the riddles, I'll import them into a Google Sheet for better organization. Sometimes, fields like titles or descriptions end up too long, so I'll tidy them up to make things smoother down the line.